Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all of you are well. Today I'm gonna show you how to create booking.com account. So open browser and search booking.com. It's loading because of my internet slow. See, booking.com website. Now I am to go register. You need to put their email, continue with email. You get 6-digit code on email. Verify email. See, also there earn 250 in travel credit after qualifying purchase on your Genius reward visa. So I need to complete full profile. Click your account, my account. So personal details, like name, first name and last name, Justin, Edwards, save, display name Justin, save, and date of birth, '22 year, save, attached phone number, save. Now select country, nationality United States of America. Save. Gender male, I am a man. Address, United States, 172 WRC, city, zip code 33440. Set. Passport details. I can't add passport details for now. And security option, you can add passkey, two-factor authenticator. I will later add other travels. I will add later. My account. Now just required payment method. you can add any of card visa. So I will add later. That's all of my account completely done. I can booking any ticket or any hotel.